Amit, सबसे पहले tell me about yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Samit Kumar. My father's name is Uday Kumar Singh. I belong to Aurangabad, Bihar. I have a total of five siblings, including me. My highest qualification is in Bachelor of Technology in Electrical Engineering from PPPIMT, Kolkata. I am a .NET developer having a skills of C Sharp, ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, and Microsoft SQL Server. Currently, I am working with Super India Private Limited, where I have worked on several projects. Currently, I am working on live projects of PathsMathematics.com. My hobby is in playing cricket and listening to music. That's all about me.
Okay, Amit. So today you are here to give interview on C Sharp. So are you comfortable in C Sharp?
Yes,
How you rate
yes.
yourself out of 10?
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10 in C Sharp. Okay. So first of all, tell us about what is C Sharp.
Um, C Sharp is a pure object-oriented programming language which provides several features of ops.
Okay. What are the roles of C Sharp?
Basically, C Sharp is a uh, C Sharp is a object-oriented programming language. It has a vast library. It is easy to learn and
Basically, I am asking the roles. I'm not asking the features. I'm asking the roles of
are
C Sharp. What are the roles of C Sharp? What can we do with using C Sharp?
oh sorry. Uh, Basically, the main roles by using C Sharp
We can
is
create window applications, software
Windows
services.
application, software, games,
It also
web
helps
server,
in web applications
etc.
with code behind. Okay, fine. Now tell me the types of classes in C Sharp.
Uh, there are five types of classes.
Uh-huh.
First, first one is private class,
Mm-hmm.
public,
These are the
static.
accesses where I am asking the types of classes. Please don't hesitate. Be cool and give answer. Listen carefully. I am asking the types of classes. I am not asking the types of access specifiers.
Okay, it is
It is
first.
sealed class.
Yeah. It is celled class.
Uh-huh.
Now, I am starting from the first one, and the
Hmm.
first one is normal class, then static class, celled class, partial class, and the last one is abstract class.
Abstract class. Okay. Fine. What is constructor in C Sharp, Amit?
Constructor. Constructor is a special type of member function which is used to define its data member.
It is used to initialize data member.
Initialize.
Okay. Now tell me the types of constructor in C Sharp.
Types of constructor. Uh, Sorry, I don't really recall its type right
Can I
now.
help you a little bit? It is
Yeah.
parameterized, a static,
Ah,
copy,
yeah. Parameterized, copy, default,
a static.
static.
Can we overload a static constructor? Yes or no?
No, we
Why?
can't.
Reason?
Um, um, Main reason behind it, basically, we cannot instantiated any static constructor.
This is not the reason to overload because the main reason of not overloading a static constructor is a static constructor is always parameterless. You know about that? So
Yes,
if,
sir.
if this is parameterless, then how can overload? Yes or no? It is okay. Now fine. Uh, how constructor call? It is called by default, or we can call it explicitly, or it can call both ways.
There are we can call it explicitly.
And not implicitly. Constructor can call either implicitly or explicitly. It can call by both way. When you create instance of class, it gets called automatically Fine. And constructor you can also call explicitly by using new keyword. Got it? Okay, now
Yes.
tell me what is constant in C#.
A constant is a fixed value
It
or
is a fixed
or
value.
value.
Okay. We cannot change the value of constant, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. Do you have idea about circular references in C#?
Yeah, I have heard that word, but currently I am not able to recall it.
You have not prepared yourself. I have already noticed you in the morning. You have to prepare yourself in C#, but still you are not prepared so well. Okay, no issue. What are the differences between a string and a string builder?
A string and string builder. Basically, a string is a mutable type, where a string builder is a immutable type.
It is a mutable type. Okay, very nice. What do you mean by early binding and late binding in C#?
Basically, early binding occurs at runtime, where late binding occurs at compile time.
You just saying
Oh, it is just vice versa.
uh,
It's just vice versa.
because early binding means the decision taken by compiler at the compile time, and late binding means decision taken by compiler at the runtime. Okay, what do you mean by polymorphism in C#?
Basically, polymorphism means one object can perform many tasks at the same time.
Can you give real life example about polymorphism?
Real life example.
Suppose that you are a student in the front of me. When you go to home, you called son, brother of someone, you called uncle of someone, you can call friend of someone. Means same Amit performing different action in different places. It means what? Same object performing different actions. So this is called polymorphism. What are the types of polymorphism in C#?
There are two types: compile time
And
runtime.
runtime. So method overriding is a part of compile time or runtime?
It is the part of runtime.
It is a part of runtime. Okay, very good. What do you mean by method overloading?
Method overloading means the method having same name but different signature.
In a
That
same
is
class or in a different class?
in a same class.
Okay. Can internal member access outside of the current package?
No, internal. Basically, this specifier do not allow to go outside of the package.
Okay. What do you mean by read only?
Read only. Read only is read only.
You have not used this keyword read only. When you apply read only before any variable, value that can only read only, you cannot write in that. You can modify, but we cannot write. We cannot write, we cannot assign again. Like, what is the difference between read only and constant? Read only, the value that can display only, whereas in the constant we cannot change, but in read only we can. What are the meaning of properties? Why we use properties in C#?
Sorry, I don't have answer.
Okay, no problem. Amit, just share your screen. I want to take your technical test in C# using GUI. What you have to do, just listen carefully the assignment.
Okay.
You have to take 4 or 5 fields. Let's just take 5 fields: ID, name, gender, city, and roll number. These are the fields of a student. What you need to do is, you have to just simple create a registration form using GUI. On successful registrations, you have to click on submit button, and this all records will goes to the corresponding table, a student table. Make sure that if a student email ID is already exists in database, that students do not allow it. Fine. And after registration successful, you have to do login with the help of ID, or you can say that email ID or mobile number. You can also add email ID, mobile number in your field. Fine. And after successful login, when a student login with a student, they can see their record in the grid view. If you log in with the admin can see all the records. You have to do all this in C# using GUI. So let's start.
Yeah, okay. I'll try my best. Just need to share my screen.
You have to also just present yourself, just continue what you are taking, then after then.
First, I am taking a panel. Just try to
What is use of panel control?
basically it can control multiple fields, and if we are trying to, if we hide this panel, means if we do any operation on panel, means if we are hiding this panel, then the all the fields, all the member inside this panel are hidden itself.
It is a container control. This is used to contains other controls. You can easily reuse this panel control for further uses. If you want to just copy this panel multiple times, you can copy panel with all existing controls inside. So this is a container of other control. Fine.
Again, I am taking a label.
Just give the headline student registration form. Don't take too much fields, just only take name, gender, email ID, mobile,
Okay.
and roll number. Name, gender, email ID, mobile, and roll number, and ID that would be identity in your SQL server. Fine.
Okay. That is sign up. And if we are going to change this font to bold, it's not to true. 20, let's see, it's true. And is there any behind it? Show black color, black color. This is full color and it's a black color. Just change it to custom. Yes, this is the change the panel color to this one. Control C, Control V, and taking our first field. That's the this. Name. Let's change the font size. Change it to 50. Take a text box. taking a text box control for the name field. And let's change to its size to 15. Just copy this label, control V. This is name, and then this is for is, and this is for email. I'm changing here. It is for sorry, it's email, and the last one is for last one is email, and second one is and taking a radio button. Control C, Control V. So radio button. And that one is for mail. Let's change to font size. Scroll. Same your phone. Let's change here. And taking CV and making its name to sender. Caps lock. Gender, and the last one I have to take a
For mobile, and last field for mobile.
okay. CV. This is the for mobile level, and this is for the text box. Let's increase the size of this panel. Just change its label name to Y, and this size, font size 15. That's good. Let's take a submit button. Text, shine, and where is the font? Let's make it bold. Let's increase the size. That is 12. Sorry, that is store, and change its back color. What is the back color thing? Customize it. Let's first change this name. This is the registration form. Let's make it the center.
Okay, now create database table. Name is student. ID field would be identity with primary key, and then sequentially name, age, email ID, gender, mobile.
Visiting env database server, that is from support. Just print.
Make font size big. It is 121%. Yes, nah, this is good.
Create table student id int identity id int primary key identity.
What is use of primary key, Amit? Why
Basically,
we? Yeah.
basically primary key does not allow to store any duplicate or same values.
Duplicate value. What is difference between unique or primary key?
uh, Basically, unique key can store a single means single
Null
unique
value.
null value, where
Whereas primary key does not allow null value. Okay, fine.
name varchar 20 and its is in its eval varchar 40 and my field is while I am taking big int like its data type and there is a student gender and sorry varchar 20 let's check is the name is sender 3 to 5 3 4 5 the table is created successfully.
Okay, fine. No need to create any procedure and all that. Just go to in GUI form and simple save records in a student table.
Okay.
Just double click on sign up form, sign up button. Add a namespace for SQL connection on the top using system.data.SQL client. Make this font big.
Using system dot sorry system dot data dot SQL client and here SQL connection is equal to SQL connection and here first name is server and the server name is control C control V. Okay. Let's make it double backslash after that database name and the database name is what's the database name strong database is let's copy its name rename control C.
Hide this Solution Explorer window in Visual Studio.
And the last one is integrated security pro. And connection is created. Just a minute. What is its ID name? Text. That is text box 1.
Give meaningful ID so that you can easily identify
email. There is here. This one. Keyboard. String name is equal to text int age is equal to tbox is dot is sorry text.
You need to typecast this. Do you know what is typecasting?
Yeah, typecasting is basically conversion of data types.
Okay.
Third thing, that is what tbox is text is email. String email is equal to tbox email dot text. There is string. Sorry. Y is equal to convert to int 64 tbox dot text, and there is a string gender is equal to if
जिया उधर ही रहना, इधर मत आना.
checked then gender is equal to variable dot text if radio female dot checked, then gender is equal to radio female dot text. There is almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 fields, and we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. I have to create SQL command. Let's create it. cmd is equal to new SQL command, and here I have to write the insert query. For being a
You have to insert the fields value in database table like a student table. Whatever your field created in GUI form, the value of all fields will go corresponding to the fields of your student table, right?
alright, for creating sorry,
We need to apply insert command, no?
yeah, but
No
it
need
is
to write
easier.
here. No need to write here. Just write in C#. Inside double quote. You are not comfortable for that? I will help you. Just start.
Okay. Let's start
Insert into
into
table name.
that is student.
You can either specify column name or directly you can specify values.
I am directly no sorry, I am storing value and along with their fields.
Okay, so first of all, you start with bracket and specify the name of columns.
That is name. Sorry, that is name is email, gender, and the last one is mobile.
And then after bracket, you have no values.
Values
And
and then
again start bracket. And then make sure that if you want to store varchar value, you have to put single quote, double quote, and then plus. And if you want to store integer value, just we need to add double quote. Why you putting single quote? Because character always includes inside single quote. You already know that.
Yeah.
Okay, just start with single quote first. Single quote.
Okay. First, I am starting for name field. So that is
hide this properties window. Hide this properties window.
my field name is also a name. So here my value is also name.
Just concatenate
After-
with plus, because name is a value that is the name of variable in C#. Na? You are writing inside the SQL query.
Okay.
And then specify comma again. Then again, make sure that the next field is integer or string.
That is age, which is integer. So
Okay, so
I have to use
only double quote and
quote.
plus. No need to specify single
That
quote
is-
there.
And our value is field name is age. Again, there is email. So email is varchar. Then I have to first use single quote, then double quote, slash symbol. Then our field value is email, and then I have to just close similarly. And again, after my gender, then gender is in varchar. So then first I have to use single quote, then double quote, then plus symbol, then our field value. The field value is our also gender, then plus, after that double quote, then single quote, comma, and the last one is from while. That is what only for double quotation, plus is while, plus double quotation.
And after that double quote, yes.
Sorry, connection. Yeah. After that, I have to use cmd dot execute.
First of all, open your connection, because you are working under connected architectures. Do you know what is the meaning of connected architecture or disconnected architecture? A connected architecture always need to open and close the connection, whereas in disconnected no need to open and close, because SQL command is an object which come under connected architecture. You know or not?
No.
Yes, it come under connected architecture.
cmd dot execute non-query. Oh, sorry. Execute non-query.
It is right, no problem. What you need to do here, you just print a message, record added successfully, with the help of message box dialog box.
Okay.
Because this is C#, so this will help you. Message box will help you to print message here.
Okay. Let me take. Let's check.
You have to apply condition here. Take a variable of temporary int temp equal to cmd.execute non-query. First of all, declare this variable. Declare this variable before cmd.execute non-query, right?
Sorry.
Yes.
Temp is
Directly assign this temp with cmd.execute non-query, because cmd.execute non is always return the number of raw factored.
if temp greater than
No. Don't do this. You are just assigning temp is equal to 0. You just need to assign temp equal to cmd.execute non-query, because cmd.execute non-query also return the number of raw factored in the integer value. So no need to assign with 0 here. In the top of the line, not in with the if condition. Just look in the line 42, int temp equal to 0. Just remove 0 and put cmd.execute non-query. Are you getting this line? What this line is doing here?
Yes, sir.
This line is returning number of raw factored. If the data successfully added to the database, this will return 1. Fine. So now apply condition here. If temp greater than 0, then message box dot show student added successfully.
Dot so.
Error adding in student, just type there is an error, or you can type any message here. Yeah, registration fail is also right. And in the last you have to close the connection, so let's apply con.close. Now try to store filled information in database. Let's play this. Okay, now with the help of email ID and mobile, you have to log in this.
Let's check our data is inserted or not. Yes, it's working.
Can you also stop adding duplicate records? Suppose that Firoz already added. Can you
Yeah.
stop? If you just trying to add again the Firoz and the same email ID, it will again add it. Can you stop this?
Yeah, I can stop this, but
This time is not okay. Okay. Okay,
I
no
have
problem,
to
okay, no problem.
use stored procedure which makes it easier for me.
Okay, you can create a store procedure. No issue. If you are comfortable, you can create a store procedure.
Let's try creating a procedure check. Just procedure check. Checking at the rate email marker, and that is for our, what is the email. Yes, begin. Count.
Only 10 minutes left. Can you do this within a 10 minute?
I'm trying.
Okay.
Count items. Count star student where email is equal to the right email. You select count. Select count star. Escape procedure. Let's check that. We'll see. Control B. Configuration. This one looks working fine. If
You need to apply if condition here also before adding records. You need to first of all check that email ID whether this email ID exists or not. If this email ID exists, do not allow this person. If not exist, allow that person. So this query will come after else, after if. Insert query will come after if. First of all, inside if condition, you have to call a store procedure that will check whether this email ID exists or not. Are you getting all these points? How to do with this? Okay, just left only 10 to 8 minutes only. Can you do this?
Let me try. If progress.
Make this font big.
Store procedure. Skill recognition. Skill command 3.
You need to write one line cmd dot parameters dot add with value if you want to supply parameters with procedure.
Yeah, but
Dot parameters dot add with value.
but a stored procedure is not providing here. So
You are providing one parameter. I think that is the email ID. Just
But-
type cmd dot command type equal to command type dot store procedure.
but
Like-
stored procedure is not here defining.
You need to just type this line. Just remove this line, line number 27, and type cmd dot command type. Command type. First of all, command type.
Oh, sorry,
CMD
command
dot.
type. Oh, I forget that.
Not directly command type. You need to write cmd dot command type.
C dot.
Command that will be C capital here. No, again you are writing wrong. Just remove a complete line. I am just saying command type dot
Dot.
cmd dot command type equal to command type dot store procedure. Try to type command type dot store procedure. This is right. And now we need to no need to provide this bracket, only semicolon. Yes, in the next line you need to write cmd dot parameters dot add with value. Yes, here specify the name of field and then value.
Parameter name, that is email, and that is set value.
That will be the email. Not in double quote, just pass email only. Yes. Now you have to open the connection here because you are applying SQL command. Only 6 minutes left. I won't give any extra minutes because you have to complete within 5 minutes.
Connection dot open. If execute scanner.
Just use execute scalar method here. Let's type int record is equal to cmd dot execute scalar. cmd dot execute scalar. I need to typecast here. convert.toMP. Okay, make connection close here, con.close. Fine. And just come down. No need to specify there, just come down. Okay, let's make this CMD1 because you have already created CMD. Yes, CMD1. Fine. Now before this line you have to apply the condition. If result is equal to 1, it means the record is added. The record is already exists. Email ID is already exists. If result is equal to 1, before query of insert, no need to put there. Before running query, before the insert query, we need to apply here. Yes, if result equal to 1, then message box, this email ID is already exist. Just
If
print the
result-
message. Print the message. This email ID is already exist. Four minutes left. Else put this complete line in the else. Yes. Yeah. Very nice. Now try to execute this code.
There is
Again try to add Firoz email ID at the firoz@gmail.com. And let's see what happened. Your store procedure working properly or not.
email ordered. Just
Very nice. Try some other email ID. It is accepting or not. It is accepting. So it is okay. One more part lefting, but your time is up now. What you need to do at your home, you have to create a login page having admin and user right. Listen carefully what I'm saying. You have to create a login form having admin and user right. On admin login, you have to just open a dashboard, and inside dashboard there would be a grid showing all records of students. When login with the student with particular email ID and mobile, that only the records of that student will display in the grid. Got it? So time up, Amit. So all the best and see you next time.